Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. I've been trying to stop buying guitars for quite a while, but I don't think I can quit because of guitars like this one. This is an Ibanez AEF30E TBS 1202 acoustic electric guitar. It looks nice, plays easy, and sounds nice, but this was not always the case. Let me tell you how I acquired this guitar. In order to curb my appetite for guitars, I have many, I decided that I would not pay more than $75 for a guitar, no matter how much I wanted it. This went well for a while, but then my guitar friend Jim calls me up and says, "Hey, I'm at the pawn store. They have a guitar with a broken neck down here, and they only want $5 for it. Do you want it?" I said, "Sure. Hey, it's $5. So he brings me this guitar. But this is what it looked like when he brought it by. The neck was completely severed from the body when the guitar fell from a wall. Well, after a little work and a lot of glue, this guitar is ready for its debut on YouTube. You really have to look very closely to see that it has been repaired. This guitar represents the best $5 that I ever spent. Thanks for watching.